welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm going to be trying out the Deess Sonic Eye Massager. This is what the device looks like. Comes in a box like so. And included you get the charger for it as well as an instruction booklet. I'll give you a little hint on the instruction booklet. The first part is in another Asian language. So go to the very center where the staple is, and this is this part that is in English for you. So it's got some drawings in there on different types of ways that you can use this. So it's very, very helpful. Guys, I do want to throw in my disclaimer on this. So this was sent to me by Deess at no charge. I'm not being paid to do this. I'm not being compensated in any way. I just got the product for free to review, and this is not sponsored. None of that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to throw that out up front. So these are my honest opinions on how this product works. So what this does is it uses sonic and heat technology. It goes in and it reduces the dark circles and the under eye puffiness. It smooths out fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps aid in the absorption of any of your creams or serums that you use. Now, we have two different lights that it uses. It has the red light, which is the one that helps absorb all your creams and serums, and then it has the blue light, which is the relaxing mode, and it also increases microcirculation and has some warmth to it. So it never gets hot. You can just feel it's a little bit warmer. It's supposed to be very close to your own body temperature. So what you want to do when you get this is, first of all, go ahead and charge it. And we've got the power button right here. This cap comes off, and when you turn it on, it starts out with the red light. Now there's two ways you can change it to the blue light. You can either press the button again, or you can shake it. It'll go back and forth. So how fun is that? So I'm going to go ahead and show you where I have been using it. I've been using it for a little over a month now. I'll be honest with you, I haven't been doing it religiously every single day because I've been using this at night. And when my mom had her stroke a couple weeks ago, I probably went like a week or so where I didn't use it at all. It just went out of my brain. So I'm back on board using it. I decided what I'm going to start doing is use it in the morning now, because that's when I really have the puffiness and everything under my eyes. Now they say within 3 weeks you'll start noticing a difference in the under eye puffiness and the dark circles. Nothing's ever going to fix my dark circles. It's hereditary. Nothing's going to work on that. But the puffiness, yes. And then after 8 weeks, you're supposed to be able to feel much firmer skin, and your wrinkles are supposed to start diminishing. So I can feel the firmness happening. I don't quite think I'm getting any noticeable wrinkle reduction, but again, I haven't been using it religiously, but we'll see. So the first thing I want to do is go in with my under eye cream. Now you can use serums or you can use creams, and you want to go in with a generous amount. I'm going to do 1/2 of my face at a time. And the reason is the red light is what's going to really help increase that circulation, or I'm sorry, the absorption of the product. Now I'm going to do under my eyes, below my brow, and also hit my 11s. And then I will also do my marionette line, because I want that to go away too. So, move the cap. You never want to use any type of a cleanser on this. You want to just use a soft dry cloth to clean the end of it. And again, we're going to hit the power button, make sure we're on the red light. Now you're going to feel a buzzing with this. So we're going to take this under the eye, and you want to do this motion 5 times, 3 to 5 times actually. I like to do 5. I don't know if you can hear it buzzing or not. Let me get a little closer to the microphone. And then we need to take it down a little bit lower. Same thing, 5 times. And then up here, right under my brow. This one's supposed to help with lymph drainage. And then go on, well, I'm going on my 11s. This really is an 11. It's maybe a 2. The other side's a 44. And then I like to go on my marionette line. Again, this is helping with the absorption of the product. All right, so now that I've done that, I want to go in and clean that tip off. Again, I'm using a soft, dry cloth to do that. And I also want to make sure that I get rid of any extra creams or serums that are on there. The blue light works a little bit better when it's not so moist, I'll say. So again, I can either press a switch or just shake it and it's on the blue light. So the blue light does a short and a long burst of the vibration. Let me get up here. Now that's different, and it also has warmth to it. So this is now relaxing those muscles, and it's also promoting microcirculation. Again, if this ever stops or doesn't work, try cleaning some of that cream or the serums off. The creams or the syrup. All right, I'm going to turn that off. And now we'll work on the other side of my face. I'm just lightly tapping this in. Don't have to use pressure with this, by the way. You just need to glide it over your skin. And it's very relaxing. Okay, now I'm going to flip it and do the blue part. I got to get rid of some of that extra cream. Again, the blue light does not like the cream. It likes drier skin. This is going to become part of my morning routine now. Okay, just power that off, clean off the tip, and then we place the cap on it, and you're good to go. So, what are my thoughts on this? Again, I have not been consistent. I did not do a good job on doing that, but I have been using it every day for the last 3 weeks. Like I said, I'm feeling the firmness underneath my eyes for sure. The reduction in wrinkles. I guess they are. I'm starting to see those look a lot better. I would say even my marionette lines are looking a lot better already. So I might start using this 5 or 6 times a day. Just kidding. All right, so this is something I actually would recommend. I am seeing a difference. Again, I just need to make this part of my regular daily routine. And I think it's great. I'm just starting to see the results, and I just wish it was that miracle thing that would actually reduce my under eye darkness. If you guys use this and see a reduction of your under eye darkness, let me know, please. I'd love to hear from you guys. So, all right, and I also want to thank Deess for sending this out to me. This was sent to me at no charge. I'm not being paid to do this. This is not a sponsored video, any of that kind of stuff. Just want to make that clear. So if you're new to my channel, or if you're one of my regular viewers who hasn't taken the time to subscribe yet, please hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. It's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, ideas for videos you'd like to see me do, please leave those down below. I'm getting some great ideas from you guys lately. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And as always, I love you all. And bye-bye.